Expanding brackets. Let's say we are asked to expand 2 bracket x plus 1. So what this is actually saying is that the 2 multiplies the bracket x plus 1. So what we have to do is multiply the 2 with each term inside the bracket. So that includes the x and the 1 in this case. So we need to multiply 2 with x and also multiply the 2 with the 1. So we can rewrite this as 2 times x plus 2 times 1. Plus is because the 2 is a positive. We then simplify. So 2 times x is the same as 2x. And 2 times 1 is 2. So it's just plus 2. So we expanded this bracket to get 2x plus 2. Let's look at another example. 3 bracket x minus 1. So here 3 is multiplying the bracket, and to expand we need to multiply each term, so we need to do 3 times x, which is 3x, and we also need to do 3 times minus 1, which is plus 3 times minus 1. We then simplify, so this becomes 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3, so it's 3x minus 3. Let's look at another example. Minus 4 bracket 2 minus 3x. So again, the 4 that's outside the bracket is multiplying the bracket. Then we need to multiply the minus 4 with each term inside the bracket. So here, minus 4 times 2. And we also need to do 4 times the second term, which is minus 3x. So we'll put that down as minus 4 times minus 3x. We then simplify. Minus 4 times 2 is minus 8. 4 times 2 is 8. Minus and a plus make a minus. Then we simplify the next one. So 4 times 3 is 12. Minus and a minus makes a plus. And then we add the x next to it because we had 3x. So here it's minus 8 plus 12x. Now to clean it up, you could also write it out as 12x minus 8, just so that you have a positive at the beginning, but it's not necessary. Let's say we have more than 2 terms in the bracket. So we have 2 times x minus 2 minus y. So in this case also the 2 is multiplying the bracket, and we need to multiply the 2 with each term. So we need to do 2 times x. We then need to multiply the second term as well. So that's 2 times minus 2, the plus because the 2 is a positive. And we multiply the third term. So here we have plus 2 times minus y. We then simplify, so this becomes 2x. 2 times 2 is 4, plus and minus makes a minus. And then we simplify the next one, so 2 times y is 2y. And a plus and a minus makes a minus. So essentially you keep on repeating. If there's 4 terms, 5 terms, it's the same process. You multiply the number or letter that's outside with each of the individual terms inside the bracket. So let's look at an example where we don't have a number outside, but a letter. X bracket 2 minus y. So now what's outside the bracket is a letter, so it is still multiplying the bracket. So we need to multiply the x with each term in the bracket. So the first term is 2, so this becomes 2 times x. Notice here, 2 times x or x times 2 is the same. And then we multiply the second term, so it becomes x times minus y, and the x is a positive, so we place a positive here. We then simplify, so this is 2x, x times y is xy, plus minus, this becomes a minus. So the answer here is 2x minus xy.
You can download the application on Google Play or App Store, and you can visit our website mathslegends.co.uk.